I grew up in Ocean Springs, Mississippi, on the Gulf Coast. I was surrounded by artists and naturalists and people who love to be out in the water. My father introduced me to enjoying things like beachcombing. Mom was the one allowing me to pick up insects and bring home bones and things that I would find on the beach to satisfy my curiosity. My grandfather was an artist. I never really met him. I was 10 months old when he died, but he definitely had a big influence on my appreciation of life and creation and nature. It's definitely those factors that influenced me to go into biology. The research that I focused on is looking at joint regeneration. My model for what I study is the embryonic chick. By studying the chick, we're learning something about what humans could be capable of, because there's a lot of similarities between chick limbs and human limbs. Our questions are very much geared towards finding out how the body can regenerate these tissues that make up the joint. It's a privilege for me to be here and be able to share what I do with students, and they make it exciting for me. They remind me all the time of why I went into research. In the lab, there's experiential learning that occurs. It's thrilling for me that I'm teaching them something without actually opening up a textbook. It's like, okay, this is a real life problem and this is how we're going to solve it. It is a collaborative effort that we're in there together next to one another working. That's what makes it so rewarding or satisfying for me, to be able to show them, look, you are part of the solution, because I think we have a good chance of solving this problem.
What we're doing here could potentially become something greater for the advancement of research on a bigger scale is such almost a mind-blowing thought to me. I'm just doing these little things in the lab, but it could actually contribute to something way bigger in the future.
The environment here, faculty, students, mentors, for myself to work next to a student collaboratively, publish papers together. It builds community, it builds trust, it builds respect. All of these things are important in educating the whole person. The students that are trained in my lab, that work in my lab, that collaborate with me, are going to go out and become better people for it. I have no doubt that they will have very fulfilled lives, because I know by working here at Loyola, I have become more fulfilled. I've become a better person. I have to thank my students for that.